Hello! Today we're making shower vapor discs. They're quick, easy, and easily customizable to your needs. First, we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, in a small mixing bowl, we'll need 1 cup of baking soda, then 1/3 cup of water. Now stir the two together until you get the texture of paste. If you need more water, add just a little bit at a time. You don't want too much water because then it'll be more like a thick soup and take longer to bake. We're going to take our cupcake pan with some lovely cupcake liners and fill each one about halfway with our white mix. Put the world's weirdest and most disgusting cupcakes into the oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until they get solid. You can stab them with a tiny sword. If the white stuff sticks, then it isn't done yet. Let them cool all the way before containing them in an airtight container. When you're ready for a shower, peel it out of the cupcake liner and drop oils of your choice on top before placing it on the shower floor in a spot where it'll dissolve slowly. For the essential oils, you'll want to do 3 to 6 drops in total. For seasonal threats, I tend to do a drop each of peppermint, lemon, and lavender. For congestion, I like to do 2 drops each of breathe, eucalyptus, and tea tree. Feel free to experiment with whatever aromas you like. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, and or subscribe. I'm also on Facebook and Twitter. Links are in the description below. I make videos every week, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye!